Memorial Day is a powerful reminder of the sacrifices made by countless men and women, especially those in uniform. They gave everything for the freedoms we cherish today. But as we gather to honor them, we're also reminded of another sacrifice, one that offers freedom not just for this life, but for eternity. John 3:16 tells us, "For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whosoever believes in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life." The sacrifice of the brave men and women we honor today were acts of extraordinary love and courage. They remind us that freedom isn't free. Similarly, Jesus' sacrifice on the cross was the ultimate act of love, offering a gift far greater than we could ever imagine, and that is the eternal salvation. Our fallen heroes gave their lives for something bigger than themselves, for their loved ones and the future generations they would never meet. And in the same way, Jesus gave his life for all of humanity, so we might know true freedom, love, and hope that lasts forever. This Memorial Day isn't just a day of remembrance. It's a call to action. Both the lives of our heroes and the life of Christ challenge us to ask, what are we doing with the freedom we've been given? Are we living with gratitude? Are we loving with purpose? Salvation is a gift freely given to us. It's also an invitation to live differently, to honor both our Savior and those who sacrificed for our earthly freedoms.